Item D, proclamation declaring National Public Health Week and recognizing the Dr. Doren Fredrickson Award recipient.
Thank you. Commissioners, I have a proclamation that I'd like to read. Whereas, during the first full week of April each year, the American Public Health Association brings together communities across the U.S. to observe National Public Health Week. And whereas, everyone deserves to live a long and healthy life in a safe environment, and to make this a reality, we need to address the causes of poor health and disease risk among individuals within our communities. We need to start new conversations with our neighbors and become advocates for positive change. And whereas this year's theme, creating the healthiest nation for science, for action, for health, celebrates the power of prevention, advocating for healthy and fair policies, sharing strategies for successful partnerships, and championing the role of strong public health system. And whereas National Public Health Week 2019 will become part of a growing movement to create the healthiest nation in one generation. During the week, we will celebrate the power of prevention, advocate for healthy and fair policies, share strategies for successful partnerships, and champion the role of strong public health system. And whereas his legacy and that of many other public health champions, such as Steve Cohen, are commemorated through the Doren Fredrickson Lifetime Commitment to Public Health Award. Now therefore be it resolved that I, Chairman David T. Dennis, and the Board of Sedgwick County Commissioners do hereby recognizing April 1st to the 7th, 2019 as National Public Health Week. Christine Stewart, Sedgwick County Division of Health Protection Director, will come forward to accept this proclamation and to present this year's award. Move to approve the proclamation.
Second.
We have a motion and a second. Any discussion? Seeing none, Madam Clerk, call the roll.
Commissioner O'Donnell.
Aye.
Commissioner Cruz.
Aye.
Commissioner Howell.
Aye.
Commissioner Meitzner.
Aye.
Chairman Dennis.
Aye. Very good. Well, welcome this morning.
Thank you. Thank you, Commissioners, for reading our proclamation and allowing us to be here today. I'm Chris Stewart, Health Protection Director at the Sedgwick County Health Department. Also joining me today are a few members of the Coalition of Coalitions building the case for public health in Sedgwick County. You want to stand up? Thank you.
Thank you all for being here.
As stated, National Public Health Week is this week, April 1st through the 7th, and is part of a growing movement to create the healthiest nation in one generation. This week, with the support of the American Public Health Association, we will celebrate the power of prevention, advocate for healthy and fair policies, share strategies for successful partnerships, and champion the role of a strong public health system. Each day of the spearheaded American Public Health Association National Public Health Week will focus on a public health topic, including healthy communities, violence prevention, rural health, technology and public health, climate change, and global health. Most importantly, today, the Sedgwick County Health Department bestows its annual Doren Fredrickson Lifetime Commitment to Public Health Award. Dr. Doren Fredrickson was the Kansas Health Foundation Distinguished Professor of Preventive Medicine at the KU School of Medicine in Wichita. He also served as the health officer for the Sedgwick County Health Department from 2002 to 2008. He passed away in August of 2008. His parents and many others described Dr. Fredrickson as a humanitarian who focused his career on helping the uninsured and medically underserved. This year, we are excited to bestow the Doren Fredrickson Award to Mr. Steve Cohen, President and CEO of the Kansas Health Foundation. Would you like to stand up here? Steve Cohen has served as President and CEO of the Kansas Health Foundation since August 2008. Since joining the foundation in 1987, Mr. Cohen has held a number of different positions, including Director of Public Affairs, Senior Program Officer, and Vice President for Administration. Before coming to the foundation, Mr. Cohen served as a legislative assistant to Senator Bob Dole in Washington, D.C., and as State Director of his 4 Kansas offices. In addition to his professional experiences, Mr. Cohen served as Chair of the Governor's Council on Fitness and is a member of the Leadership Council of the Greater Wichita Partnership. Mr. Cohen's idea to develop a physically active, healthy lifestyle course for high school students earned him a national award from the American Alliance for Health, Physical Education, Recreation, and Dance. He also received the 21st Century Community Champion Award given by the American Association of Family and Consumer Science to individuals who have made a significant contribution toward strengthening families. Mr. Cohen completed his undergraduate work at Emporia State University and later earned a law degree from Washburn University in Topeka. So I believe Chairman Dennis has some remarks before the award is presented.
Certainly do. First of all, I want to welcome all of the members that are here to honor Mr. Cohen this morning. I especially want to recognize Becky Tuttle, who is also City Councilwoman for Wichita. Thank you very much for being here this morning. On behalf of Sedgwick County Commission, we're honored to have here this morning Steve Cohen, the distinguished and retiring president and CEO of the Kansas Health Foundation. Steve served as president and CEO of the Kansas Health Foundation since August 2008. He's held several different positions there since 1987, including Director of Public Affairs, Senior Program Officer, and Vice President for Administration. Under Steve's leadership, the Kansas Health Foundation created the Kansas Leadership Center, established 20-year, $60 million investment in the state community foundations called Giving Resources to Our World, developed innovative in-school physical education programs, and recently launched the Can't Wait to Read early childhood literacy campaign. Steve has been a champion and an innovative thinker on matters that are essential to Sedgwick County government. During his tenure, the Kansas Health Foundation has been leading the community partner on public health in ways that have served our residents and moved our community collectively forward. Thank you, Steve. We appreciate all your service to our community.
Well, thank you very much, Chairman Dennis and commissioners and the other people involved in this award, the Coalition of Coalitions. I know you played a big role in this. It is a tremendous honor to receive this. I knew Doren Fredrickson, obviously, personally. I've been at the foundation 31 years, which I can't believe. It's gone by very quickly. He was a great man, a mentor to many of us. Very sad that he passed away so early because he gave so much to this community. Really, this award belongs to many people. I almost feel guilty receiving it because so many people contributed to the foundation's work. Obviously, my wife, Monica, has supported me all these 31 years in many ways, so I really appreciate her support. And then also all the many staff people that we have at the foundation. We have some of them here today, and I'd like those that are here with me today to please stand. We had some others that were here earlier, and they obviously make our work possible at the foundation. We've had many over the years that have come and gone as well that have contributed all this great work. When you were reading those grants, it's not just me that pulls those off. I can definitely tell you that all these people make that work happen. Also, I just wanted to briefly tell you that, you know, this public health award means a lot to us because early in the foundation's history, our board made the decision that we were going to focus most of our resources towards public health, towards prevention, because our society spends so much money on health care, and actually, which is very different than many other countries. We spend so much of our money in this country focusing on sickness rather than keeping our population healthy. And other countries actually have longer lifespans than the United States because they target more of their money on keeping their population healthy. I mean, many people find that unbelievable. But if you look at lifespans in other countries, many other countries have longer lifespans than Americans do. We're really way down on the list because they spend more of their resources on keeping people healthy, and that's what public health is all about, is trying to keep people healthy before they get sick. And so our board made the decision that we were going to target our resources on public health and prevention, population-based approaches to health care. And you all play a very important role in doing that by supporting the public health department in Sedgwick County. And fortunately, we have a good public health department in this county. Not that it couldn't be better, but we do have a strong public health department, and that's really important in a community the size of Wichita. So all you can do to strengthen that public health department is really important, and to strengthen it into the future. So I want once again thank you very much for this very prestigious award. I appreciate it very much on behalf of myself and also the entire Kansas Health Foundation staff. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Commissioner Meitzner.
Thank you, Chairman. Steve, just my sincere congratulations on a well-deserved award, and thank you for not only the public health stuff, but everything else you do in our community. I enjoy serving on various boards and efforts with you, and you have a real positive impact on our community, and I just wanted to share my appreciation. And somehow your wife Monica is way too young to be retired, but that's a different story. I don't know how she did it. Maybe she could write a book. Yeah, I know. Anyway, thank you again.
Thank you. Well, Steve, again, thank you very much for what you do for public health. One of the things that we don't really meet it as the Board of Public Health here as in regular session, but we are. And everything that we do and every motion that we make and everything that comes before this board, we always have to keep in the back of our mind that public health is part of our job here in Sedgwick County as Board of County Commissioners. So you help us greatly in fulfilling our mission as the Board of Health for Sedgwick County, and thank you very much. I appreciate it.